Hi children of families, how are you today? I hope you are good. Today I'm bringing a book that is called Turtle Dove. I recommend it for children between 1 and 3 years old, and I hope you like it. It's about what can Turtle Dove do and what can she or he not do. Okay, so yeah, and at the end of the story, like, remember, we can talk about what happened in the story, who appears there, what are they doing, and yeah, just have a look at the pictures, and if they are growing up to read, if they are around like 4 or 5 ish, they could start reading because they are simple sentences. So yeah, let's start. Turtle Dove. The author, All Children Read in Cambodia, and illustrator Chorn Brass. Turtle Dove. Turtle Dove can fly. Turtle Dove cannot swim. Turtle Dove can eat food. Turtle Dove cannot chew the food. Turtle Dove can walk. Turtle Dove cannot crawl. Turtle Dove can sit on a tree branch. Turtle Dove cannot hold onto tree branch. And then here are the characters that appear in the story, okay? And I recommend you, so you can ask them, who is this? Turtle Dove. Who is this animal? Good job. Monkey, a monkey. Who's that? A duck. And the ducklings. How many ducklings can we see? 1, 2, 3. And then this little mouse, and that is holding a corn cob. And then we can see some books here. So in the story, you can find all these animals and the books. So you can go back to the video and have a look where you can find those animals. And what can these animals do that the turtle dove cannot do? Okay, let's have a look. Like, where do the monkeys live? What can the ducks do and the turtle doves cannot? How does the mouse eat? Let's have a think what all these animals can do and what they cannot do. So we could just have a look and think about the things that they can and cannot do each of these animals. Okay? And this is the end of the story, and I hope you like it. See you on the next video.